Champions League title does Real Madrid have? Five, four, three, two. Correct. Awat na. Tournament nyo. Mamaya ulit. Mamaya ulit. Lala, tapos na eh. Next question for another 1,000 peso voucher. Yung mga nanalo na ng 2 vouchers and up, hindi na kasali. Next question for another 1,000 peso voucher from Mizuno. Who has the most Ballon d'Or wins in the history of football? Lionel Messi is correct. Follow-up question, para sigurado, ilang Ballon d'Or? 8, correct. 9 pa lang this year. Hindi, joke lang. Wala pa. Peso voucher ulit from Mizuno. Nandito ako sa Interteam dahil nandito yung sagot. Nandito yung sagot sa Interteam. The question is, which is the only club to have won all 3 European tournaments, mainly the Champions League, the Europa League, and the Conference League? Chelsea. Yes, 1,000 peso voucher from Mizuno. Because Chelsea is the only team who has the best season and they knows how to be a mediocre the next season. Alam naman pala sa football yung mga nandito. Hindi na kailangan mag-google. Next question for another 1,000 peso voucher from Mizuno. Who is the first footballer who ever cost over 15 million pounds during the transfer window? The first ever player to have cost over 50 million pounds. Yes, what's your guess? Neymar? In recent years, yes, but he wasn't the first. Fernando Torres is incorrect. He isn't the first, yes. Messi is incorrect. Only his move to Paris that he was incorrect as well. Yes? Ronaldinho, incorrect, but you're close. Clue. Ronaldo, incorrect. Lumayo kayo. Incorrect, but he is Brazilian as well. Huh? Thiago Silva? No, incorrect. R9, incorrect. Robinho, incorrect. Romario, incorrect. Pele, incorrect. Incorrect po. He's a coach. Yes? Maradona, incorrect. He's Brazilian. Joe Pedro, incorrect. Another clue. This player transferred from AC Milan to Real Madrid for 56 million. Incorrect. Aka is correct. Grabe. Million pounds in 2009. Oh, pinakamahal ngayon natin. Yan. Bakit ka ang sinusundan? Pupatay na ako. Naglalakad-lakad lang ako. Sasabihin ko naman kapag meron ka. Okay, mamaya na tayo sa trivia question. Okay, tapos na ako sa question. Next game, bring me. Nakakarinig, bring me. Yung may pinakamahal na resibo ng gasolina dahil ang taas ng gasolina ngayon. Bring me yung pinakamahal na gasolina resibo from a gasoline station. Titignan ko ha. Kailangan ko yung resibo galing sa gasolinahan. Titignan natin. First 3. Tapos ikaw-compare ko kung sino yung pinakamahal. Again, next game, bring me resibo galing sa gasoline station. Minimum 1,000 pesos sa gasolina.
Anya, well done. Well done. Anya, get open. Anya. Let's move. Check in, check out. Check in, check out.
Attention to all the teams in Field 7. Please be mindful of the games and be in your field designations. Again, for teams that are playing in Field 7, please be mindful of your games so that you will be playing next and so that you don't experience any delay in your game. That announcement is for the teams of SIPA, Kiangan Football Club, Apo Atletico FC, Ugong Miners, South Luzon FC, and Belo 2-3 Catchers Football Academy. Kung okay lang naman or kung nandun na kayo sa Field 7, huwag na rin kayong umalis para ma-monitor niyo yung game. Thank you.
na.